What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, it is another one on Jasmy, guys, which has not been performing too well. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? Especially that it's been dipping in value. You can get at a lower value than what it was worth about a week ago. So that's what we're going to be going through today. As you can see, in the last 24 hours itself, it has dropped nearly 12%, making it 0.03403. So I've been getting a lot of DMs saying, is it going to drop more? Is it going to pick back up in value? What's going on? So on and so on. So guys, I'm going to give you guys my take, my prediction on this crypto over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Is Jasmy a good investment, or should you avoid it and just invest into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, for this giveaway, there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure to stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So as you can clearly see on the screen, in the last hour itself, it has dropped nearly 4% in value, 3.27%, which is quite major, especially that it's just within an hour. And over the last day, 12% down. So over the week, let's quickly have a look, nearly 4%, and over the month, a massive 100% up. But you guys may or may not have realized, but every time I make a video, this number keeps on going down. So it was about 130%, then 120, 110, now it's 100%. Is it going to go down to 90, 80, 50? Who knows? We're going to have to wait and find out. So going into the coin market cap website, we can also see the trading volume has gone down by 4% in the last 24 hours, making it $340 million. I remember when the trading volume about a week ago, it was over $1 billion, and right now it has dropped all the way down to $340 million, which is quite of a major drop in trading volume. So let's get straight into the price prediction. Of course, we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which is basically what I'm going to be using to do the technical analysis. But let me hide it for now and bring it later on in the video. When I do that, what I'm going to start off with is the MACD indicator to do the price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's why most of you guys are here for. But before I do that, guys, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we have the the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at 0.02852. However, it is trading at 0.03445. It is still performing better than expected. However, we can clearly see that it is coming back down to the SMA indicator, the purple line, which I did warn you guys at one point, when it hit around this target hit, it will drop back down, as the SMA indicator is valuing it way lower. So it will drop back down to somewhere around here, which is currently happening. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking a little bit bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected on Jasmy over the next couple of hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, I'm not expecting any major drops or a huge dump in value or anything like that. There's going to be minimal decreases, but the overall outcome is going to add up, and you're going to feel the difference. But don't get me wrong, you're going to see green candles in between, you're going to see red candles. It's going to be a mixture, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are again not looking too great. We've got the orange line just about going in a straight line, but we can clearly see that it's slanting towards a negative direction, and so is the blue line as well. So basically, to conclude, both the lines are looking bearish. Once again, not looking too great, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of next week as well, we should expect a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment, probably dropping down to about 0.031 or even 0.030 by the end of next week. Now, Moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we expect here? Now we got a mixed signal, better than the previous ones. We got at least one of the lines looking bullish, which is the orange line, is slightly heading towards the positive direction. However, the blue line is still slanting towards the negative direction, meaning we do have a mixed signal. So over the next couple of weeks, we should expect ups and downs, of course, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side, as the orange line is looking a little bit more steep than the blue line. So what I'm expecting is an overall increase in value over the coming weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about early May to mid-May. We should hopefully expect this crypto to go up in value. However, nothing major. It's not going to be a huge increase in value or anything like that. But of course, these are my predictions as of right now, guys. Any updates or any news that come across that can have a major impact on the value of Jasmy, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, just to give you guys the most up-to-date and accurate predictions as much as possible. So now that we've done the prediction, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and move on to the technical analysis using the Fibonacci scale. But before I do that, if you guys want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. And again, it is limited to the first 100 people. Guys, after that, I'm going to lock it off. No one will be able to join. And just to make it clear, I'm not a short-term investor. I'm a long-term investor. So I don't buy and sell on a daily basis, just to get out there to avoid any confusion. But again, any queries, any questions you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And now back to Jasmy. So as always, we are still in the red zone. We haven't moved much. We are basically getting worse than what we were about a week or two ago. And yeah, we are still in the red zone. For us to hit this target here, which is just about the 8 cents target, we are currently sitting at 3 cents. For it to hit 8 cents, guys, I'm not expecting it anytime soon. Probably around mid-July, late July time is when I'm expecting it to hit the 8 cents target. Again, it could be way after that or way before that, depending on any updates or any news. So once it does hit that target, it can either resist and drop back down in value, or it can break out at this point here and hit its next target level, which is a 13 cents target, which I am not expecting anytime soon. Because for that to take place, it's gonna have to go a major price increase, and I'm not expecting anything like that from Jasmy anytime soon. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to comment down below is, what are your predictions and what are your takes on Jasmy? What is the highest figure it can hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on Jasmy. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me, and I appreciate each and every single one of you out there. Keep supporting and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you to everyone, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.